Hey there, animal lovers. Today, I'm diving into the fascinating world of parrots. Did you know these colorful birds have a lot to teach us humans? Yep, it's true. So, let's uncover some surprising lessons we can learn from our feathered friends. First off, let's talk about communication. Parrots are master communicators. They don't just mimic words, they understand context and emotions. Imagine if we practiced active listening like parrots do. Instead of just hearing, we truly understand each other's feelings and intentions. It's a game changer for building strong relationships. Next, we've got intelligence. Parrots are incredibly smart. They solve puzzles, understand cause and effect, and some can even count. The lesson here, never underestimate the power of your brain. Keep challenging yourself, keep learning new things. Because mental stimulation is key to a vibrant, happy life. Then there's adaptability. Parrots thrive in various environments, from dense forests to bustling cities. They remind us how important it is to be flexible and adaptable in our own lives. Life throws curveballs, but being open to change can lead to amazing new opportunities. Now let's get a bit emotional. Parrots form deep bonds with their mates and flocks. They show affection, loyalty, and support. We could all use a lesson in love and friendship from these birds. Cherish your loved ones, be there for them through thick and thin. And, of course, we can't forget about playfulness. Parrots love to play. Their playful nature keeps them mentally and physically healthy. We should embrace play and fun in our own lives too. Whether it's a hobby, a sport, or just goofing around with friends, play is essential for a balanced life. Finally, conservation. Parrots are a vivid reminder of the importance of protecting our planet. Many parrot species are in danger due to habitat loss and the pet trade. They teach us to respect nature and all its creatures because every living being has a role in this world. So next time you see a parrot, remember these lessons. Communicate with empathy, challenge your mind, adapt to change, value your relationships, embrace play, and protect our planet. That's all for today, folks. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more amazing animal insights. And remember, sometimes the smallest creatures can teach us the biggest lessons. See you next time.